everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo. It's a very rainy day outside, and I'm going to go inside where the lighting is not all that great, and I'm going to do some unboxing of some Jesse James beads that I found at Walmart. I apologize for the bad lighting, but I think you're going to be able to get the gist of what I found at Walmart. I found some Jesse James bead mixes there. And today we're going to unbox the Window Box Bead Mix in Champagne Bubbles. And when you flip it on the back, they give you some ideas on what you can do with all these pretty beads. So let's see what we have in here. There's a mixture of acrylic, glass, and metal beads. We have some spacers. We have these crystal rondelle spacers, lots of glass crystals, some bead caps, some more glass crystals, 2 sets of toggle clasps. Here's some little metal spacer beads, more glass crystals. And these glass crystals, they have a hole that's drilled at the top. I don't know if you can see it there. And then here are some acrylic beads. These are really pretty, very antique looking. And then these white ones are really pretty. Very fancy. And then these glass crystals, I love the pattern and the faceted on there. And then, of course, the flower tassels that are in so many of Jesse James's bead mixes. There you have it. Oh, there's these metal beads. These are really pretty. Kind of look like a flower butterfly there. But it says more than 100 beads, and I counted them, and we have about 110 beads in this mix. Plenty to make a lot of earrings if you wanted to make some necklaces. Oh, and I forgot about these. These are bead caps. But I don't know if I would use them for bead caps. I've got some ideas on how I might want to use these, so stay tuned. There's 4 of them there, so they'd go good in a bracelet, necklace, or maybe a couple pair of earrings. One thing about this bead mix, you can make things with only the elements that are in this bead mix, or you can use items from your stash, or Jesse James Beads actually has this in other styles, so you can mix and match. Thanks for joining me, and y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo, signing out for now. Bye-bye.